Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to open Telegram on laptop. Let's start by opening Telegram from its desktop app. To do this, we are going to open the Microsoft Store. Here we are going to look for the Telegram application and install it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Once installed, we can open the app and start using Telegram from our laptop. If you prefer to use Telegram without having to install anything, you can go to your browser and search for the official Telegram webpage to log in from there with the steps indicated. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.